Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the brake pads on a 1996 Ford Mustang GT. One of the first steps is to make sure you pull your emergency brake for safety reasons, and then you brake loose the lug nuts. And then you're ready to jack up the car. Since you've already broke loose the lug nuts, you can go ahead and finish bringing them out real quickly. And then you can take off your tire. And exposed is your brake caliper. For this next part, make sure and have a jack stand securely placed under your car. And then break loose the two bolts that are on the back of the brake caliper. There's one on top, and then there is one on bottom. And I've already broke mine loose, so I can easily take mine back out real quick. And once you get your top brake caliper bolt off, then you can go ahead and remove the bottom one. And for some reason mine are different sizes. And once you take the bottom bolt out, then the whole caliper is free to be taken off the rotor. And then you can easily pop out one brake pad. And then get your C-clamp ready to press back on the old brake pad to put the cylinder, or put the piston back into its little area a little bit. And then you want to make sure and come back over here and take the cap off your brake fluid reservoir. And this will make room for your new brake pads to go into your little caliper here. And you want to do this slowly so that you don't push too much fluid back up and squirt it out of the top of your brake fluid reservoir. And then you can release this once you have it pressed back far enough to make room for your new brake pads. And then remove the C-clamp from in here. And then you can press this brake pad back out. And then you're ready to put in your new brake pads. Then you just gotta press your new brake pads into the old brake pad slots. And you'll hear it clip into position. And then you just flip this back over and slide it back onto the rotor. And then tighten your bolts back up on your brake caliper. Hold it back in place. And once you're done doing that, then you put your tire back on. And then whenever you get your tire back on, you're ready to lower the car back down off the jack. And then once you have your car lowered back to the ground, be sure and tighten these bolts back up. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is go back around here and put your cap back on. Get inside your car. Push your brake pedal a few times. Once it feels tight again, then you're good.